Samsung's rugged Galaxy Tab Active3 is built for use by frontline workers who operate in tough, real-world environments. To support on-the-go productivity, the tablet comes with an S Pen that fits conveniently into its durable protective case. Like the tablet itself, which has been tested against military durability standards, the S Pen is rugged and has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. When navigating within apps and completing digital forms, the S Pen is accurate and convenient, especially when working in gloves. But you can get even more out of the S Pen with Samsung's built-in Ear Command features and the Samsung Notes app. Here's some tips to get started. To open the Ear Command menu, just tap the floating pen icon, or hover and click the S Pen's button. Ear Command gives you instant access to a range of S Pen optimized tools, including Samsung Notes, Smart Select, Screen Write, and Translate. Smart Select lets you quickly capture anything on your tablet's screen. Select an ear you want to capture. Now, tap the pencil icon to quickly add an annotation. Then share it via email, messages, or another app. Samsung Notes is great for quickly taking down notes or creating to-do lists. Pick from a variety of pen types, thickness, and colors. You can even take notes when the screen is off. Just hover the S Pen, press the button, and start writing. You can also annotate or sign PDFs within Samsung Notes. Just open the PDF and then tap the pencil icon to begin editing. To erase, just press the S Pen's button and tap. These tips are just the start. The Tab Active3's S Pen is a powerful productivity enhancer for frontline workers.